Hey YouTube, just a short video. There was a bunch of people that wanted to know when the FFpower portable solar panel was going to come back in stock, and they're a long ways from getting them back in the country. So I'm going to give you the exact same one in a different link. It's the Alcatel. It is the 100%. I was going to tell you this a few days ago, but I wanted to confirm with the actual unit, and it is 100% made by the same company. So FFpower and Alcatel, their folding panel is the same. So I'll put the link for that. I know some people were a little bit antsy just because they want to get their system set up, and with the banking problems, it just creates uncertainty for people, and I understand that people want to finalize plans and get things done. So the one in the front, you can't tell what it is, but that's the FFpower. The one in the back is the Alcatel. They are the exact 100%, and they assured me that, but I did not believe them until I got it and could see it. So the only difference is Alcatel's on here, but it is the same machine. So I know this won't apply to everyone, but it's a lot easier instead of going through 1,000 emails and trying to find every single person that was interested, just to do a big shot. I've also had some reports of Wells Fargo. Many people have sent me Wells Fargo having problems. People would get paid and then their money would be taken away, then it would show back up, then it would take away. So they're trying to resolve it. I don't know if it's resolved yet. But Wells Fargo having banking problems, and that just lends itself to more people being antsy. So hopefully we don't have a bank run. Hopefully people have confidence in our banking system. But if you got a lot of money in there, try to get it out. Do what you can do to safeguard that. Thanks for watching.